Hi sir, Mr. Atam. Good morning to you, sir. Sir, this is the one that you are taking. Okay, this three-seater and then one here. So 311 complete set. And this is your coffee table 1.2. And this one is the coffee table for that 3-meter desk. Okay, sir. So this is the one you selected, this visiting chair. And this one is the your boss chair. Okay, so this is complete. And then you take also this one, this complete set cabinet. Okay, and then this one, 6 pieces of this one, and then this one 2-meter size, so for two, and then one here and then one there. Okay, sir, so this is complete. And then so this is the other one. Okay, so one of this desk 2.6, this one, and then this two chair. Okay, so this is the one you selected, and then the complete set of this one, the sofa. So one three-seater, and then one of this one, and then two. Okay, coffee table, this one is not this is the one that I'm giving to you. Okay, so this is the one. So at least this is what you call this one is same in your coffee table small. So this is the one, sir, that one. Okay, and the one that you're taking is here, the upper one. Yeah, this one, sir. So this is the one, so 2-meter size, sir. 1.8 height, 2 meters, sir. Okay, then this set, sir, one set of this one 2.4, and one set of this one face to face. And the chair that you collected, sir, is this one. It's 12 pieces. But I put this one. So I put for you 12 pieces, right? But I put 6 pieces with the headrest. Okay? And for the reception, sir, you're taking also this one. And 5 pieces of this one. This type, sir. So 1.6 size. So as per our discussion yesterday, so this one is 1.6 you take, adjust from that the last one from this side, so coming 1.4. Okay, so total all 63,000. Okay, sir, thank you very much. 63,000 dirhams. So thank you very much, sir.